Why is data ink ratio crucial for clear SaaS data visuals? Imagine trying to understand a complex chart filled with unnecessary lines, colors, and decorations. It can be overwhelming and confusing. That's where the idea of data ink ratio comes into play. Think of it as a way to keep your visuals simple and focused. The data ink ratio measures how much of a chart is actually showing data versus decorative or redundant elements. When the ratio is high, most of the visual space is dedicated to data. This makes the chart easier to read and interpret. In SaaS business intelligence and analytics tools, this is especially important. These platforms often display lots of data at once, and users need to grasp key patterns quickly. If a chart has too many grid lines, shadows, or heavy backgrounds, it distracts from the real message. By reducing these extras, you help users see the important data faster. Clear visuals with a high data ink ratio improve understanding and speed up decision-making. When dashboards are cluttered with unnecessary details, it becomes harder to focus on what truly matters. Simplifying visuals by removing non-essential ink helps users identify trends and outliers more easily. For example, choosing simple bar or line charts instead of 3D versions makes data stand out. Limiting colors to only what highlights key points also helps. Concise labels and clean titles add to clarity. This approach aligns with the principle of showing only the data needed to tell the story. It's about making visuals straightforward so everyone, from data analysts to business managers, can interpret them without confusion. When designing SaaS data visuals, always ask if each element adds value. If it doesn't, it should go. High data ink ratio visuals are more effective because they cut through the noise. They help users focus on the core message without distraction. This is why maintaining a high data ink ratio is so important in SaaS platforms. It ensures that data visuals are not just attractive but also functional and easy to understand. Ultimately, the goal is to communicate data clearly so users can make smarter, faster decisions based on what they see.